Beckhoff Technology is used in a lot of different industries. Today I invited someone from the packaging industry. Welcome.
Thank you.
So could you please tell me the name of your company and maybe tell me something about the solutions you have or applications?
Yeah, I'm part of Graphic Packaging International. We're a global supplier of paper-based packaging solutions, and we have lots of products that are consumer-based, so cereal boxes, beverage packaging, all kinds of products that you'd see in normal life.
Yeah, so a very wide variety of products.
Very wide, yeah, that's right.
Okay, and so what actually do your solutions do? So you do the packaging?
Yeah, that's right. So we make the packaging, and I'm part of the machinery group that focuses on putting beverage containers into our packaging. So that is one of the big focuses of our machinery division.
Okay, and what kind of Beckhoff technology do you use?
So for our really high-speed applications where we need extremely precise and high-speed grouping of products, traditional grouping systems are too slow or not flexible enough. So we're using the Beckhoff XTS system, which allows us to do automatic format changes and allows us to do much higher speeds than we can conventionally.
Okay. And do you use any other Beckhoff technology or just the XTS?
Mostly the XTS, but we're really interested in some of the new cabinetless technologies that you guys are coming out with.
Yeah,
it's very interesting to us from machinery perspective.
Well, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.